Hello everyone. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to record and edit a macro. Okay? Why do you need to record or edit a macro? So that you don't need to do things repeatedly. If you have things that you keep doing repeatedly, then it makes sense to automate it. So you will save time and you will uh, make your report faster. So let's start. This is, you can see on my screen. I have this report file, Excel file. The first tab is the trend, where you can see the trend of the order and delivered items, and second tab is a raw data. Okay. On the trend tab, we are going to record a macro that will format this on a table. So to record a macro, you have to go to the view tab, then click record macro. Okay. So just name it format table. Table. Then you can also have a shortcut. Example, Control F. Okay. Control Shift F. So that's going to be the shortcut of your macro. Put some description here. Table. Okay. Click OK. Okay, there's already macro for that. So let's try T. Okay. Now you have a macro that you want. So example, you want to put a border here. This one. Also put borders here. And you want to format this date to be like this one. Okay, so looks better, and you want to remove the grid lines, insert something here, and titles my report. You want to, bold it. I want to color this one blue, and text to be found and bold it and put it in the center. So then bold this one too. Okay, so that's the format you want to have on your report. So let's go to this button here. You see this ready icon here with a macro is called recording. So this is the stop button. You can just click here, stop the recording. Now to see the recorded macro, you can go to macros and view macros. Okay, so you can see there's a format table that we recorded, and then you can now go here to edit. As you can see, here is the recorded macro. Okay, now you can edit this in case you want to change something on your macro. Example here, there's a lot of things happening here. Here you have the selection format, this formatting. Okay, so see here. Okay, seems like we don't need to edit anything here. Let's just save this macro. Okay. Okay, you need to save this macro as macro enable. Okay, save as. Okay, so that you want to use the macros and you save it. Okay, now example. Let's try to change this back to this original format. Okay, remove the no fill, remove the borders. What else? Review lines. Okay. And delete this one. Now, see if we play the macro, you can go here and then view macros, and you can run it from here. Okay. So as you can see, formatted your table just like what you did, just like what you recorded. Okay, let's try again one more time. So this one, good lines. Okay. Now let's try to control the shortcut that we put in there. Control Shift T. See? So you trigger the macro and it runs it. Okay, now let's try to record another macro to format this data. For example, you always get some raw data from somewhere and you always get it like this one, but it doesn't look good. So you want to format this before you send the file. So let's try to record again the macro. Record the macro. Data. Format data. Okay. So what control do you want? Control D. Control Shift D. Format my data. Okay. Now let's format it. So first we like it to pick the cell. Then we like it to freeze it from this place. Home. Okay, we don't have the freeze. Okay, here's the freeze. I would like to freeze the space, so if you scroll down, it will retain the header. So I would like to bold this header, then pair it again. I would like my format, my data to be formatted to this one. Okay, so it's a lot better. I would like my discount to be, I will format it to 2 decimal point. Okay, use the pointer. Now it's formatted. Same here. Okay. Now all looks good. I want a little space there. I also want to format my date to look like this one. Alright. Let's save this file. Let's save as report 2. Okay. Now let's stop recording. Just click this box here. And then view macro. So we actually would like to remove this save here. So we edit it because we don't like to save this file. Just delete that part. Okay, so here's the macro that that's the format. Okay, now let's try to open the previous file. This one. As you can see, there's the data. I'll copy this data. I'll go back to report to paste it here. Now let's try to trigger this macro that we have recorded. Okay. You format data and run this, see what happens. Okay, so you formatted your data that fast, then you don't have to do it manually. It looks better in just one click. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you record a macro. Hope this video is very helpful to you and you can use it on your work. Thank you very much for tuning in.